Hello peeps. So the government giving away free money. Not free money, but really reverse tax credit. Yeah. Which is basically them just like give back some of the tax they have collected from you over the year. The thing is, you need to be making less than $3 million last year in income. And you also need to apply by December 2nd to actually get it. Alright? So in this video, which is not long, I just going like walk you through the step of how you apply. It's really short and easy. But yeah. So I walk you through the process, and if you're not interested and you do apply yet, you just apply. If yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend. All that's it. Let's begin. So here goes. Alright, so this is a voiceover because apparently my other records. So you just type in tax refund Jamaica, and you're going to scroll down till you see the GOJ launch one time tax crediting. You click on that, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom, back reading, scroll down to the bottom, and then you're going to see that particular part website at www.jamaica tax thing. Yeah, so there, so or you can just go TAJ because it's already there, and then you can click on that. So you're going to click the apply part. Basically it asks you some basic information. Just click yes. Your basic information. So you fill out them there, your name and your email, and you're going to click phone as a method of getting contact to you. All you're going to put into it. You also have bank preference. You can bank remittances. So if in the event they actually nominate your bank account name on the list, you can choose the remittance. So you can see I choose Jane Money as the example because that's probably the one of the cheapest. Yeah, and you just fill out the information. I really just basic stuff, isn't it here? But I chose bank, put in my bank information so that it goes directly to my bank account. But as I say, for those who don't have a necessary bank on the list, you can use remittances. Alright, and with remittances, you're only gonna need the number of money at the end plus it plus your ID, etc. etc. This is really just the next page. You're going to just click for review, and once you review the document and it's all good, you can screenshot this. The number there up at the top, the number there right at the top will start with 1, or you can print it, and then you're basically done. The next step is if you like want end up check button now, you just go up on the TAJ platform basically, and then going to click track status of application, and when you track it, just put in a TRN and the reference code, put it in exactly where you see it, and then it will just pop up, and then that is the whole process. Yeah, so of course, thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next video. They have been recording, them just edited it. See me? May I try learn the new editing platform on this. So there is that. But catch you next video, guys. Peace. Yeah, the sun is so sunning right now. But what I just meant is, what was the thing about stuff? And what may I say is, why the government would be giving us free money? You see me? We've never done tax return, and them says a one-off thing, and like something in perpetuity. And what I think is, one, get people acquainted, with the TAJ platform. Because I know people probably even know about that. So, you can pay your ticket, you can pay your land tax, etc., etc., and about all that stuff. But also, too, would be for make sure, or at least bring to light the employees, say, oh, some of them employers might not be paying their tax. Them way I get it out of them account, but don't necessarily pay the tax. So yeah, so that is I don't even know how the lighting will go, but yeah, that is what I think. Is me just mad, but yeah, that'll be my 2 cents. So feel like it's just to get people acquainted with the site so them can start implementing more. And also for just bring to light some of the company them will probably I take the customer them tax but not actually paid. So yeah. Some companies would lean a problem, or this and that, but that's just something. Anyways, goodbye now.